This is a short video on how to install OpenVAS. To start the install of OpenVAS, type in sudo apt-get install OpenVAS. After installing OpenVAS, now go through the setup. Type in sudo gvm-setup. This part will take a while to complete, it's just the waiting game for a few minutes. Don't forget to take a note of your admin username and password. Now it's just checking to make sure that it's all ready to go and that there are no errors. Type in sudo gvm-check-setup. The following part is optional. If you want to access OpenVAS from another client machine on the same network, then continue. However, please bear in mind this is only a temp solution. To continue, type in sudo gvm-stop. Once that completes, type in the following lines. Sudo gsad-listen equals 0.0.0.0, then press enter. After that completes, type in sudo gvm-start. Now let's test accessing OpenVAS. We will now test accessing OpenVAS from a different client, in this case is the virtual machine's host.
you.